Let's talk about your gut. Bloated, moody, running on caffeine and chaos. You're not alone. Forget dodgy detox teas and juice cleanses. We're doing this the smart Ash way. Real advice, zero nonsense. Think of me as your gut's new best mate, here to translate its groans into action. You've just enrolled in the Smart Ash Gut Cleanse. 7 days, zero BS. We're turning that internal war zone into a Zen garden, or at least a less chaotic playground. Ready? Let's get started. Day 1. The Great Purge. Time to evict the gut wreckers. Ditch the fizzy drinks, artificial sweeteners, and ultra-processed snacks. The ones with ingredients you can't pronounce. If it's packed with sugar or weird chemicals, it's out. Raid your cupboards and fridge. Be ruthless. This isn't punishment. It's making space for the good stuff. Break up with your comfort foods. Your gut will thank you. Today, clear the slate. Let's move on. Survived day 1? Time to rebuild with fiber. Your gut bacteria need a feast. Veggies, fruits, oats, beans, lentils. These prebiotics fuel your good gut microbes, crucial for digestion, mood, and immunity. Aim for 25-30 grams of fiber daily. Don't overthink it. Just add whole plant foods to every meal. Berries in porridge, salad with lunch, extra veggies at dinner. It all adds up. And no, Doritos dust doesn't count. Feed your gut right. Next up, water. Your gut's been begging for it. Fiber needs water to work, otherwise you're in for a traffic jam. Aim for half your body weight in ounces daily. If plain water bores you, add lemon, cucumber, or mint. Herbal teas and sparkling water without sneaky sugars are great too. Hydration keeps things moving, aids absorption, and keeps your gut happy. Make it a habit. Stay hydrated, stay motivated. Now let's tackle stress, the invisible gut enemy. When you're stressed, your brain and gut start chatting through something called the gut-brain axis. It's like a secret hotline that connects your emotions to your belly. Stress triggers your body to release cortisol, the stress hormone. Too much cortisol can slow down digestion, make your gut feel upset, and even mess with the good bacteria living there. That's why stress can lead to bloating, cramps, or even changes in your bathroom routine. Today, find your chill. Walk, meditate, stretch, dance, or just breathe. The goal? Give your nervous system and your gut a break. When you relax, your body dials down the stress signals, helping your gut work better and your good bacteria thrive. It's not selfish, it's essential maintenance. Less stress, happier gut. Keep it up. Day 5. Time to bring in the probiotics. Add fermented foods like plain yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut. Look for live and active cultures. These friendly bacteria help tip the balance in your gut's favor. Read labels. Pasteurized after fermentation means no live cultures. When you eat these, you're sending millions of helpers straight to your gut. Your gut bugs are celebrating, and you're the guest of honor. Keep feeding the good guys. Day 6. Lock in your gut routine. Consistency is king. Your gut loves rhythm. Eat meals at regular times, don't skip, and keep your eating pattern calm. Prioritize sleep. 7-8 hours a night, and keep moving, even if it's just a walk or a kitchen dance party. Routine is the glue that holds your progress together. Your gut thrives on predictability. Make these habits stick. Day 7, maintenance mode. You made it. Bloating down, energy up, gut retrained. This isn't the end, it's your new baseline. Stick to fiber, ditch the junk, hydrate, and manage stress. No need for perfection, just keep coming back to these basics. Ignore TikTok hacks, trust what you've learned. You've built the foundation for a happier, healthier belly. Enjoy it, you've earned it. That's it. 7 days to a gut that works for you, not against you. You ditched the junk, embraced fiber, hydrated, and chilled out. This isn't a diet, it's your new way of living. Remember how you felt on day 1? Compare it to now. That's real change. You're in control. Keep building on this. Like what your gut's feeling? Subscribe, join the Gut Gang, and share your journey below. Stay smart.